We have got the latest tax revenue numbers for direct tax as well as indirect tax up to 31st January 2016, and I would like to give an update about it. The target for tax revenue this year is 14.49 lakh crore. The collection so far in direct tax has been 5.22 lakh crore, and in indirect tax it is 5.44 lakh crore. That means that on the whole we have got tax revenue up to January 2016 of 10.66 lakh crore, which is 73.5% of the annual budget target. If you look at separately direct taxes, the growth rate has been 10.9% so far compared to the corresponding period last year. And if you take indirect taxes, the growth rate has been 33% so far. In direct taxes, we are seeing a robust growth both in corporate taxes as well as in personal income tax. In corporate taxes, the growth rate so far has been 10.44%, and in personal income tax, the growth rate has been 11.85%. In terms of the percentage of target achieved for the year in direct taxes, 65% of the annual target has been achieved, and there we see a small shortfall coming up. But this would be made good by the indirect tax, wherein we have seen that up to January, 88% of the target has already been achieved. So we expect additional about 40,000 crore to come from indirect tax, which will make good the shortfall in the direct taxes. On the whole, we are very optimistic of achieving our annual target of tax revenue this year. If we analyze the trend of income in specific items, I'd like to give some details. We have seen a growth in custom duty revenue in specific items. One, of course, is a major item, electrical machinery, where we are seeing a custom duty growth of 34.4%. The second major item, which is one of the top 10 items of custom revenue, is all other machineries, where we are seeing a very positive growth of 27.8%. Now, these things probably indicate that there are some new investment taking place in the country for which all these electrical machineries and other machineries are being imported. If we see the trend of growth in revenue in service sector, the average growth rate in service sector this year is 27.2%. But if we see the growth rate in banking and financial services, it is 44.6%. In works contract, it is 39.9%. And in goods transportation services, the growth rate is 41%. All these are indications of high level of economic activity which seems to be taking place in the country. This tax revenue trend which I have just described actually supports the latest figures which we have got of the GDP growth rate, which has just come a day before.